connecting to chat. Yeah.
What's up?
So yeah, we decided to do it a little early because the expert that I am at Streamlabs, I set it up way too quickly, and yeah, we're ready to go live. Even though Himanshu, to him, it seems that he is a little bit, I don't know,
Okay.
like the scale is a bit different, but it's okay. Maybe it's just Himanshu himself,
I think we
maybe.
all are like that. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe,
Only
maybe.
I am like that.
yeah, maybe it's just your background and your laptop and your
नहीं नहीं
camera and stuff.
हम सब ऐसे.
Can you show us your T-shirt by the way? Nice. So
Yeah.
I'm guessing you really liked Cyberpunk, huh? No, no, no. We're not getting into that. We're getting into. So what was the topic for this
Abhi?
episode? Oh my God, dude, Farhan started.
So we're gonna talk about whether like critical reviews really matter when you're playing a game, or do experiences really overpower that?
What is up with Himanshu? Dude, he's just
Overshadowing.
laughing. Are
I
you
don't
Dude,
okay?
know.
the moment we started streaming, it started lagging.
I don't know what is up with that. I think it's like a curse.
It is.
Farhan, can you say something?
Hi.
There's like just a little bit. It's okay, dude. It's
Oh,
fine. It's
I think guys, I think I need to move from here. I'm gonna go to some other place just for this thing to work
like now,
properly.
or do you? Or,
No?
oh, okay.
Do you want me to just move?
I thought, dude, like the
Move
next thing we
houses
know,
right
Farhan is
now?
like on his bike and his laptop is like here and he's like talking from his
Hey
bike.
guys.
Just
Okay,
India and Pune things,
so
dude.
let's.
Like, so, dude, there are so many people in Pune
Um,
who just ride with like the one hand, bro. Oh my God, it's so unsafe.
it is,
Yeah, we're here to discuss
but I don't know
traffic
Yes,
safety.
why we do that.
this is 3HP, a traffic and accident safe. No, an accidents podcast. No, how to stay safe
Yes.
in COVID and traffic.
Mm,
Guys, can
Let's
someone
start with
please?
the topic.
Yeah, start a topic. I'm derailing it.
Okay,
uh,
so today we had this thought that every game has this Metacritic review. Okay, wait, I'll tell you how it started. So Karthik, out of the three of us, or out of everyone in our group, like he relies on reviews,
Mhm.
and he says that he reads a review, he forms an opinion, and then he comes and plays a game, and then he has a lot of biasness because of that review, and that is how I feel. And Farhan, what do you feel?
we all feel. I feel the same.
So
I
we
really,
decided
really
that
feel Karthik does that.
today we'll just sit down and we will discuss what is your problem. Do reviews really matter? Is it more important to have fun with a game, or listen to reviews and form an opinion, and then
Well,
not touching the game at all?
first of all, I mean the reviews of Battlefield aren't as bad as I said it was. So, I mean, Battlefield 5 was the first game that we got this topic, right? Like, oh, Karthik hates the game and we love the game. So, what is the difference? What is the disparity here? The disparity is, I mean, it's if I was just paying attention to the reviews and if I formed an opinion according to the reviews, then I wouldn't talk shit about Battlefield so much. The thing is, because I can see on Metacritic right now, Battlefield 5 has like what 73 Metascore. I mean, yeah, it has a user score of 2.4, but we're talking about critics, right? And my belief still is like I don't know. After a point, when you have so many games in your backlog, it just becomes a matter of what are you going to play. I have so many free games. I have so many games that I've bought, and then and that I'm probably not going to play ever, but that's why I follow reviews, right? Like, because after a while it just becomes of choose it just becomes a point of choosing the game that you want to play. And yeah, Battlefield 5 was just I played, and my belief is like, just like even the books that I read, if I don't enjoy it in like the first, like I basically like have a set number of chapters or hours. So in games it's usually 1.5 to 2 hours. If I don't enjoy the game in the first 1.5 to 2 hours, I just leave the game because there are so many games out there. I'm really spoiled for
Played
choice.
it for 30 minutes.
Dude, I can show you my PS5 stats.
One match.
I can show you my PS5 stats. I played it
One game, right?
for like a game. No,
Does
two
that
Didn't you
games.
just
count
play one
staying
game?
in the menus and the pause menu, like all of that?
I think
That
it
Yeah,
counts
does.
as well,
yeah.
right?
You don't count that game.
Yeah, but still, I don't
But
know.
you don't count that, right?
I didn't enjoy it. I didn't enjoy the setting. I didn't enjoy the gunplay of Battlefield 5. But maybe it could also be because I'm biased, and I'm spoiled because of Battlefield 4. I love Battlefield 4, and the futuristic setting, and then you can go on buildings and you can parachute down and all those things. I love those mechanics, and
Battlefield 4.
yeah, on Battlefield 4. This was all on Battlefield 4.
Okay, so what did you not like about Battlefield 5?
Well, first of all, I didn't like the aesthetic of it. And aesthetically, like it's like a desert aesthetic, and oh my
Dessert.
god, a desert. Speaking of
Ah,
desert,
It's a snack.
so yeah, I didn't like the aesthetic, and I didn't like the guns of it. I mean, I know that guns get better because obviously you level up, and then you can get more attachments, and then you can obviously you get better at the game itself to.
do you think are you being like you're being too like you're being like a critic? Like, you're not really enjoying the game for like we have like for us, like it's the experience. Like me and Himanshu, like we enjoy because
Yeah,
we
but
play
but
together
that is
and then
exactly the
it's fun,
point.
right?
Your experience is good, my experience is bad,
Mm-hmm.
which is why I don't want to continue experiencing it. That is the whole
Do
point of
you
it, right? Like,
think
and that's just my opinion. Like, the thing is, and why this topic is like so spicy for us, it's because I mean, yeah, I was playing the game and I was talking a lot of shit. I was saying it again and again and again, and it obviously I can understand how it could frustrate the people who are playing with me. I probably should have culled that down a bit, but I'm just a very expressive guy, I guess. But uh, it's just how it
Mm,
is.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
so
mm.
you have played Battlefield
Hmm.
and you did not enjoy that. Like that makes sense. Like no one can force you to play a game that you do not like. Like I agree with that. Like cool. But there is one other game uh, that we guys played, and you had very strong opinion of that game, and you didn't really get into that at all.
Hmm.
Farhan, do you know about that game? Can you please mention that game?
I know two such games. I know two such games.
Okay, okay, no, no, the one that we play every day, that
Okay.
one.
Virtua Fighter.
Virtua Fighter
Virtua
5.
Fighter.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so can you check the reviews online?
Actually,
And
yeah,
give
let
us
me
like
check. I
how much is
actually
the
haven't checked Virtua Fighter reviews, but I know that people don't like it. I mean, it's not really reviews, it's just I don't know how I read somewhere that people aren't enjoying Virtua
uh,
Fighter 5. Is that Virtua Fighter 5, or
yeah,
which
yeah, Virtua Fighter 5.
is it 5? Because 5 was
Five.
released in what,
5.
2007? PS4. I don't. Oh yeah, it
Wasn't
is
it?
it is 5. Okay, cool. Yeah, so yeah, it actually has good reviews. Then why were you saying it's a shit game, like, in terms of critics?
Hey, what? Who was saying it was a shit game?
Did I say that?
Yeah, dude.
No, I
Wait,
think I I think we meant it was like a Street Fighter ripoff, but then
Yeah.
it has its own perks,
wait.
right?
Let me check.
Like there may
PS
there are many
Plus
things
free
that is like
games.
really it gets crazy.
PS Plus free games. Did Was it free in this month?
Yeah, it was free.
Yeah,
Wait, was it this month or last month? This
Let me
month,
check.
right?
this month. Yeah,
No, this
this
month
month
was Squadrons, right?
with
Operation Tango, Squadrons, and Virtua Fighter 5 Ultimate Showdown PS4.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
it's
got
a
it this month. Yeah.
remaster of
yeah.
the classic 3D fighter. Yeah, so the thing about I am not sure if I said critics, because I mean it says it has 81 on Metacritic, and it has a user score of
Okay.
7.9. So my thing with
Okay,
Virtua
okay.
And
Fighter
user
is
score?
No,
Yeah.
no, no,
7.9.
no, 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 no. Now it's not your turn to speak. You spoke about Battlefield. Agreed. Now we got a free game. Okay,
Hmm.
all of us.
Yep.
All of the boys are
Hmm.
sitting and playing it at night, enjoying. Okay, just check out nighttime. We want to play it during daytime so that it suits your time zone.
Yep.
It's a fun game that we play together and we enjoy a lot. Like Farhan, what is your opinion about the gameplay? Like, what is?
It's hilarious. It's just even when you're like watching the other guys play, just watching, not even playing, it's like really fun to just watch one person do just one move and kick someone's ass. Like that's really fun to watch
Hmm.
sometimes.
Oh, because we experience that, like we are together and we are having these tournaments within ourselves. There is this one guy, a friend,
Amazing.
whom we want to play with. Like we want him to play Virtua Fighter 5 with us. But that guy has a very strong opinion that it's a very shit game. I don't know where he read that or where he heard it.
Wait. First of
But
all, did I actually say that? Yeah. Oh yeah. I said in my opinion it is shit. Yeah. Okay.
now, has that guy ever played that
without
game?
playing it.
Yes, I have. I have played it. I played it
When
for
did you
like
play that
Where?
game, dude?
I was practicing. Like I tried to learn all the moves
Oh,
and
so the intro? Are you talking about the intro?
no. I actually went into the tutorial and tried to learn moves. So now
Yeah,
okay now
that
now
was the intro.
now sir, is it my turn to speak yet? Sir, please, sir. Okay. So my thing about Virtua Fighter is
Yes.
I do not like fighting games in general. I feel like it's a
Mhm.
huge and it's a very brutal rape of the controllers because people are just spamming and I personally do not
Mhm.
like it and I actually got it from like actually I'm kind of biased against that because of the fighting games that I used to play. So back in the day we used to play Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 3 and Naruto, some Naruto fighting game. There was a lot of Naruto fighting games. But I used to play Dragon Ball Z with Kunal and Kashish, and then obviously then we used to spam a lot. I mean that's what fighting games are. I mean at least to the non hardcore fighting gamers, like all to the casuals. It's a spam fest. And Kunal and Kashish used to spam a lot, and I got a new shiny controller just to play with my friends, and then they came over to my
Mhm.
place, and then there's like a mini game where you have to rotate the analog really quickly. So instead of how do we play, like we use our thumbs and just rotate the analog right quickly. Kunal and Kashish, or maybe it was just Kunal used to do it like this, and that spoiled my controller, a new shiny controller. Like this was back in what,
So
2009.
are you blaming it on your childhood trauma?
No, I'm not blaming it. I'm just
Is
saying,
that
like,
what you...
I'm just saying. So, I'm just saying, like, that's what I did. And then, like, imagine trying to convince your parents that you need a second controller, which was still costly. Like, back in the day, I mean, my parents didn't know I was gonna get into game development and stuff. Now, my parents won't say shit because obviously it's my career. So they'll be like, "Huh, okay, games is a good activity." But
Uh,
my parents didn't.
right.
Like, it was really hard to convince them, and obviously back then money was tight as well. Like my dad, exactly, he wasn't earning as much as he is today, so it was really hard to convince them, and then they spoiled my controller. But that so that is one of the
Okay, how
reasons
does that relate to Virtua Fighter 5, man?
that relates that is so that
Yeah.
relates because I do not like fighting games in general. The only fighting game I can tolerate is Smash Bros, because it's so casual, because it's like, you don't it doesn't have to be a spam fest. And
Why can't you play Virtua Fighter casually?
okay, first of all, so the thing about Virtua Fighter is I didn't like the tutorial. I mean, I tried to, first of all, did
Dude,
you?
you judge the whole game on the basis of a tutorial.
Yeah, but I don't like the gameplay. I don't like the controls of it. If I don't like the controls of it, why would I spend my time and play that game when I can play like 100 other
What
games?
controls did you understand? Because in the tutorial, like we like either neither of us like understood what it was. It was just press Y, which is not there
Yeah,
on our
that is
controller.
also
It
one of
was
the
press
other
X,
reasons.
which is not there on our
But
controller.
but yeah,
I
I mean,
mean, not that, but it was like I think A, B, Y, some. It was crazy.
it's just a genre that I'm
Like I
not a
won't judge
fan
it
of.
on
And
that.
maybe, if we were like actually playing regularly, maybe I could have been like, oh, I can see my friends online, they're playing right now Virtua Fighter, like all of them, because you guys usually play at night and I'm usually sleeping because it's like 3:30 a.m. Maybe in that case, then I would have at least wanted to try it out with, what the boys are doing, just chilling with the boys. But that's the thing. And at in the evening it's so hard to, I mean, you guys can't exactly, I can't just tell you, oh dude, don't play at night, play in the evening for me.
I
um,
think we should have made a section on top somewhere where we put screenshots of the conversations in the group.
Yeah, what did I say? I don't remember actually.
Mm.
What did I say about Virtua Fighter? But yeah, like I didn't want to play it because first of all, none of us play it anyway. Like we hardly play games anymore. There was a time where we used to, like, when lockdown happened, first lockdown, we used to play all night, all day, and I wasn't working back then.
Everyone. It was yeah.
And I mean,
Okay.
yeah, I guess if we play,
Okay, Karthik said, it's the fact. that you all play at 3:30 a.m. my time,
Mm-hmm.
that I'm not able to play it.
Mm-hmm.
To which Karan replied, Acha, will you play Virtua Fighter on the weekend?
Mm.
Then Karthik said, I still wouldn't play it.
Yeah, because I don't like fighting games in general, but maybe I will play if you guys are actually online. Maybe we're playing, maybe, but I'm not a fan of the
It's
genre.
not
Like,
about the time.
so
It's
so
not about the time.
so it is about the time as well. We hardly play regularly. If we were playing regularly at the same time and it suited all of us. I mean,
Okay,
I did.
one more comment from Karthik.
Mhm.
Who plays Virtua Fighter 5? And then those three laughing
Okay,
emojis.
that was probably me being
Who
a bit
plays
odd,
Virtua Fighter 5?
dramatic.
What the fuck, man?
I mean, so and another gripe for me at least
Oh, no.
is so it's a 1v1 game and five people are sitting in the party just watching those two people play.
Like I said, it's fun watching.
Yeah,
It's
maybe.
not about mainly the gameplay as well. It's
Mhm.
also about the experience that you have with your
It's
friends.
a
Maybe, yeah.
fun party game.
Sometimes.
Okay. So the thing is,
Yeah.
you said that you're a game developer.
Hmm.
Now, the thing is, if you do not like a game, what if you try to play a game that you do not like and you understand what makes a game fun and then try to implement those things in your career in life or in your projects,
Hmm.
so you can understand like what makes a game fun and how
Yep.
opinions don't really matter that much. So from that point of view, I think like Virtua Fighter is a really fun game,
Hmm.
and I had like more fun playing that game compared to Cyberpunk,
Yep, of course.
and like a lot of other games that will get 10 on 10 and crazy reviews, but still there's something about Virtua Fighter, the
Yep.
multiplayer and the the whole scene of playing with friends and the other people can watch
And
and all of
I,
that.
I
That's
definitely
actually really fun.
I definitely agree with the playing with friends part. I mean, I used to play FIFA for so long just to play it with friends. I mean, and it's not exactly a critically revered game. I mean, every year FIFA gets what, like 6, 7, and every year they say it's the same shit over and over again. But I still bought FIFA and I still
Still keep
played FIFA,
releasing.
and I don't know, man. Maybe I would want to experience Virtua Fighter just because it's with you guys. Maybe I was being a bit over dramatic, which was wrong of me. I agree. But I still
Say
liked it, man.
sorry.
I still like saying it. I still like being the different one in the
Who
group and
plays
be like,
that
hey,
game?
what a shit
Who
game,
plays
dude.
that game?
I mean,
What
me
a
me
shit
being
game.
so me being so expressive and
It's
me
Virtua
being
Fighter, man.
actually that's true.
Okay, what do you mean by that? Who plays Virtua Fighter? You tell us, dude.
You're supposed to say we play Virtua Fighter. That was a genuine question.
Ah,
Okay, okay.
that was
Nah,
the
nah, but no, you're right.
okay,
I mean,
okay.
maybe I should give it a shot, and I should definitely try to play it with you guys.
Okay, do you want to
Okay,
move
so
on
we
to?
convinced you
Okay, okay,
for
Farhan is
like one game, right?
Yeah, Virtua Fighter. Battlefield 5, I'm still
We
out.
convinced you
Maybe
for a
Battlefield 5
game.
okay,
also.
we convinced for one game.
Now,
Cool, nice one.
can
Progress.
But maybe Battlefield 5 as well. The
so
thing is, I really want to play with you guys, and I really miss playing with you guys. But it's just the timing, and actually, I mean, yeah, I,
Yeah,
I
and
say
childhood
that.
traumas.
you will you will really like Battlefield, like if you play it with us.
Hmm,
Like it's crazy, especially at night when like everyone's playing.
that's
Like
the thing,
we'll
yeah.
try to, fix it, like play it on a time when you're there. So it'll be fun. It'll actually be fun if all of us are there. And
Hmm.
again, like back to the user experience, if you see Battlefield and people were disappointed mainly because of what they showed in the trailer didn't match, and then there was a whole like
So
controversy
basically, they were saying
regarding
that
the
this is
women in the
a
war couple and
never
all,
seen
right?
before, what do you say, display of World War, and it showed like women in the war, and they had like robotic arms and
Yep.
shit like that. So that was the thing that people were really pissed about.
Okay, I'm
So
I'm
it
just
wasn't really the game.
yeah, true. That may be fair. I mean, let me just actually read some reviews. Okay, one user gave it a 0, and they said, I love to play as a disabled woman in World War II with a bionic arm. Truly makes you think. The word Nazi is blocked whenever you play online. I fucking love this game. I think that's what he's saying. This game is awesome and everyone should play it, even though it is also broken and full of glitches. LMFAO. And he gave it a 0. What? What? They are like basically appreciating the game and then they're giving it 0.
Hey, that's a sarcastic comment, dude. What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, it's sarcasm. Oh, I get it now. Lol. Oops.
Oh,
Wow.
Wow, I I was
200 IQ.
I was being dumb on stream, dude. Fucking hell. Um. Okay, so one
Dude, I'm clipping this and I'm posting this on 3xp.
oh god. One user said EA does not know real history. It's very bad game. It's not ready for release. It has a lot of bugs and a lot of history bugs. Okay, I guess there were a lot of bugs at launch. That's why people gave it like so bad reviews.
I think most of the reviews, like if you see the like the user rating, it's
Hmm.
mostly on the like the experiences they have before the game developers, come up with the improvements and all. Like,
Yep.
like most of the games that I've read, all the reviews, that's how it always plays out. Like even if you see like the whole Battlefront 2 controversy,
But
it
I
was
guess that's
almost similar,
how it
wherein in
should
the
be,
beginning
because
it
if
was
a
like that.
game like they release it half-ass like Cyberpunk and then they promise to improve it
I
over
like how
time,
you said like Cyberpunk.
it just doesn't
Cyberpunk.
give them any reason to get a pass like, oh, it's okay, your game is improved like that.
Okay,
So
I think so. What I was thinking actually
Hmm.
about, I was thinking about it today. Like, what I can say in terms of this topic. So what I was thinking is, so this is just a thought experiment for you guys. So we know, so you've seen the reviews of Battlefield 5. It says 73 on Metacritic by the critics and 2.4 user score. Would you go out of your way to buy this game?
nope.
So that is why I
If
feel that reviews are important because we, no matter how much money we earn, it is still hard earned money, right? And we would want to spend it on a game which is uh, generally revered by by the critics,
right,
and like that actually. And by that, like, I want to transition into a game which was revered by the critics, but I absolutely fucking hated it. And you would not believe I was so
there we go.
excited for that game, and I gave in. I don't usually buy games on launch day. Okay, I only buy, like, the last game before now I bought on launch day was Witcher 3, and I was really, it was an amazing game. I
Wait,
loved it. So yeah, I went and bought Last of Us Part 2, and I listened to all the reviews. They absolutely loved the game. So I thought, okay, cool. Let's give it a shot. I want to check this game out. And then uh, like some of the points that the reviewers said, like, oh, it's such a good story, the characters are so good, the ending is so good, and I disagreed with all of them. The only thing I agreed with was that it's a technical masterpiece, which I agree. I mean, it looks fucking beautiful on PS4. It's so hard to do a beautiful game like this on PS4 because now that we have SSD, I can really understand the difference because I've played Ratchet and Clank now, and it takes like milliseconds to load a level. Now imagine doing something like in terms of graphical fidelity, like doing something like that on an HDD, and Naughty Dog really pulled it off. So it's definitely a technical masterpiece, but I absolutely hate the story. I did not like what they did with the characters. Then they start so there are spoilers. Yeah, I mean, it's been like a year. If you haven't played Last of Us Part 2, you probably won't
I
for. Mhm.
spoiler.
Oh wait, I do you care about
Yeah,
spoilers?
now you can just say. No, I don't. I know what happened,
Oh,
so
you
it's
know what
okay.
happened. So what did you think actually about
Mm.
the game or the story?
Honestly, like like I was really like excited for Last of Us 2 because I liked the first one.
Hmm.
Everyone did. Every single
Yeah.
person did.
Yep.
And
same.
like when I thought of buying it, then I was like, okay, I'll just wait till the reviews roll in, and then I'll see like like what to do.
Hmm.
And the reviews were really good, so again I was like kind of excited. But once you guys played it, and then I came to know what it was, and then I went and saw the reviews, then I was like, okay, so this is what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna buy it. So I did
Hmm.
not buy it based on that,
That's fair.
based
Okay, I'll
on
tell you
your
this thing
experience.
about Last of Us Part 2. You say that it's a technical marvel. I agree with that. Like, I have mentioned that a lot of times before.
Hmm.
The game looks amazing, but the gameplay is something that's really not interesting, to be honest. Because it's a very, what do you say, generic game, okay? Like, you go, you shoot some people, you have a few
Hmm. Yep.
Molotovs, you have, all the
It's a
basics,
generic
stuff like that.
Naughty Dog game. If you,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
just
it's
like
it's a
So that
typical
very, yeah,
Naughty
so
Dog
formulaic.
you
game.
enter an area, there will be a lot of enemies, similar type of enemies who will keep on coming at you. And oh my god, that sounds so wrong. But yeah, okay. So that is there. The gameplay wise, it's not really something that is extremely fresh and something new. It's again generic. Naughty Dog game, like that kind of gameplay. People love Naughty Dog games because they have amazing stories,
Hmm.
and the stories are really intriguing, and you like really want to know, okay, what
Yep.
happens next, what happens next.
Hmm.
They fucked it up with this game. It was, in my opinion, it was crap. Like how they dealt with the characters in the beginning,
Hmm.
how they dealt with the characters in the end, and how for half of the game we had to play with some different character. It was all bullshit.
Yep.
Now the reviews, they said that the game is amazing, the game is a masterpiece, 10 on 10, 9 out of 10, so many reviews. And like when I saw the trailer the first time, I was really excited.
Yep.
When I saw all of these reviews coming in, I was really excited at that time. I used to count days for the launch. When I played the game,
I remember.
I loved the story in the beginning, like
Hmm.
what is happening, like what all doing in the story. Uh, okay, wait. Can I just mention the
Yeah,
spoilers?
yeah.
I
Just
think
just go for
yeah.
it. I mean,
So
it's
so
fine.
in the
Please.
beginning, Joel dies, and I thought that okay, like he dies now. The story will move forward. Like there will be something in future that I want to know that okay, what is going to happen to Abby? How will Ellie take her revenge, and what shit will go down? Because it's Naughty Dog, it's Last of Us. uh, I had really high expectations. So when that shit happened, I really didn't care that much. Like I wasn't heartbroken because Ellie was still there.
Hmm.
But as the
Oh,
story continued
that's an
forward,
interesting take. Nice.
I understood that I have to play half of the game from the point of view of Abby, whom I don't give a fuck about.
Hmm.
And then I realized over time that Joel didn't really have to die because he knew that, he is a wanted man, and he just went about and told people like, "Hey, I'm Joel. Nice to meet you," and shit like that. Like he wasn't the Joel we saw in Last of Us Part One. So the characters, even though they look the same, they didn't really act the same.
Hmm.
Ellie killed like a thousand of people in between, but in the end, she just left Abby like, "Oh, it's okay now. I understand. Revenge is not the answer."
Yeah.
So I don't really agree with the reviews, dude. Like it's
Hmm.
bullshit. I don't really know why people have reviewed it so well.
Yeah.
I would like to know like what is your point of view? Like why do you think the game was reviewed so well?
Actually, I wanted to talk about Last of Us before we went into that part, like why we think it's reviewed so well. So the thing I hated about Last of Us Part Two, and now that we're talking about spoilers, so I have no problems with Joel dying. I can understand that he took a very, very hard decision at the end of the first part. Like, he decided to save Ellie and kill everyone. That was a very hard decision, and that would give birth to more revenge. And obviously everyone will have grudges that they would want to kill Joel. That's fine. That's totally fine, and these are just the consequences of his own actions. So that's okay. Joel dies, and then Ellie gets really mad. Ellie goes on this revenge. She's like, she's burning by revenge, or she wants to get that revenge. And we understand. We also feel the same way. Joel was loved by everyone. Joel and Ellie were like one of the best duos in recent history. Their chemistry, we were so attached with them. Like, I mean, I think that's
Hmm.
something we all agree on, right? Like, and so because we all agree on the first part and the relationship being so well, I think there is some truth to it. Obviously it's subjective, but there is some objectivity to it because we all agree on it. But in the second part, the chemistry wasn't shown. The only parts that I really liked about Last of Us Part 2 was when there were flashbacks of that old Joel and old Ellie.
Yeah.
That was like really interesting because it was more content of the two people that I really love from this game. And then what happened? Okay, we start playing as Abby. I thought, okay, cool, that's not a bad idea. Like, everyone has their own point of view.
I
Okay,
was struggling through that section. Like
yeah,
I
I
just
mean,
wanted
yeah,
to get done
I
with it.
definitely agree. Like, I think we played almost 10 hours of Abby and 10 hours of Ellie.
Half of the game, yeah,
Yeah, half of the game. Yeah. So I agree. Okay, they wanted to go and take this route of,
yeah.
what the people that you see as bad may not be bad. They have their own reasons of doing. So there was a really good lesson at the end there. But and then what happened? So after that, Ellie goes to Abby. Abby beats the shit out of Ellie, and then Abby tells Ellie to never see her again. Ellie goes and lives on this farm, and they have a baby together, which Donna was pregnant with before. So they have a baby together. They have an amazing life. Now what Naughty Dog decides to think is, happy endings are not for our games. I mean, Uncharted 4 ended really happily, but not for these characters that people love so much. I would say that I love Joel and Ellie more than Nathan Drake. Like Nathan Drake is a very
Yeah.
different kind of character. It's not a very I'm not attached to Nathan Drake. I like him, I like what he does, but I'm not attached to him. But I was really attached to Joel and Ellie. So what happened was then Ellie couldn't sleep. Ellie Ellie couldn't do anything. She was not happy.
PTSD.
She felt like something was missing. So she uproots that happy life and then she goes on this revenge path again to kill Abby all over again. And then what happens is, and then all the time I feel like the game is trying to say, oh, revenge is bad, killing is bad, and then while we're just shooting like thousands and thousands of people without remorse. And they wanted to put this in the game. They put this in the game like purposely, like every time you kill someone, the other people are shouting, oh no, he's dead, oh no, my friend is dead. Like they're trying to show
And
that killing is bad, yet there was no problem in killing, right? We were killing anyway. And then in the end, Ellie realizes, oh no, revenge is actually bad, and I'm not going to kill Abby. I'm going to forgive her. So she spoiled that life with Donna just to kill Abby, and then
is
she
that her
doesn't.
name?
Sorry,
Donna?
Donna
Was
is.
that her name?
Oh, I'm not sure. Donna, maybe. Whatever. Her romantic partner in the game. Is it Donna? I don't know. Let me check. Ellie's girlfriend.
Dina,
Dina.
Dina. Oh, close enough. I.
close enough.
Yeah, I thought Donna is like such a white name. Anyway, so yeah, so she uproots her life. She spoils her life with Dina. She goes and she goes out and then she spoils it to kill Abby. And then in the end, she doesn't even kill Abby. Like it just as a player, I'm just left there feeling like what the fuck just happened? Like why did Ellie, that a character that I love so much, spoil her life to go do something and then not even get that feeling of satisfaction in the end? Like there's no, like I'm not like what does it say? There's no payoff at the end. And
Yeah.
contrasting that with Red Dead Redemption 2 story, which is why I really loved it. Like okay,
Mm-hmm.
so Arthur Morgan dies because of Dutch, and then so there's the epilogue part, and I loved the epilogue because you went through such a pain of playing through the game. You went through such a pain of being attached to Arthur Morgan, having your heart broken, and then there is some payoff. I mean, yeah, revenge is bad, killing people is bad, but it's a game, man. It's okay. It's okay
Yeah.
to sometimes give that
No,
payoff
like
if you're not actually killing people.
the way the way they went about with the whole thing was like half-assed, if you think
Hmm.
about it. Like they didn't really give you like a sense of like satisfaction towards the end because they didn't really develop the characters really well, except Ellie and Joel, who you really cared about. And
Yeah.
then when they introduced a new character and then tried to show it in a way where they're like, okay, you have to care for her,
Hmm.
you have to be like, okay, this is a good character that I can relate to, but you really can't because you don't know her as well as you know Ellie, right? And
Hmm.
that's why I think that disconnect is there.
And it was a very hard job from the get go. Like I mean, it's like like your most favorite character in all of the movies and all of the games, like your most favorite character, they are killed by a character, and then the game is trying, or the
Right.
media is trying to make you care about the character who killed your favorite character. It is so hard to do. I can understand it is very hard to pull off, but that doesn't mean you just show that character for like 3 hours of the movie or
Yeah,
It's
like
like
6 hours of
I
the game.
think
they
I
built
think they
a
went
character.
the
Yeah, sorry, what?
I was saying that I think they went the Robert Kirkman way,
Hmm.
where they were just like, okay, let's just try to do the whole Walking Dead thing, where they just kill the main character and make it as impactful. I think that's what
Oh.
they wanted to do, but they didn't. Not in a
Robert
good way.
Robert Kirkman, the Walking Dead from the show or the series, the game.
Robert Robert Kirkman is the comic book writer.
Oh, so the show, right?
Yeah,
The Walking Dead, the comic
you
that
can say.
was adapted into a show.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah,
whom did they
yeah,
kill?
yeah.
I believe I remember. Oh, they killed Rick, right?
No, I mean they did, but then that was not the main, the big death,
Hmm.
big moment. It was I think what was his name? Glenn, the Asian
Oh yeah,
guy.
Glenn. Yep. Oh my God, it's such a
Mm.
such a horrific death. I remember like watching it at that time, and then but
Yeah,
after that they just started
the
extending the
seal.
show again and again. But
Yeah, yeah, exactly what the game did, right?
hmm
It was like, okay, that was like the main point right in the beginning,
hmm
and then they were just like,
yeah,
okay, you have to still play.
yeah.
It just feels like that.
And I honestly felt like most of Abby's stuff was filler. So there's like this cliffhanger moment where Abby and Ellie meet again and they're pointing guns at each other. And then the game just
Mhm.
cuts to Abby's backstory, which goes on for like 10 hours. And then you come back to that
Uh,
point where they're pointing guns at each other. At that point, you just burnt out from the game. You're just like, I don't care, man. Just kill Ellie or
Dude.
kill anyone you want. So, and
And this game got like 10 out of 10
yeah, I'm
masterpiece
just
to
looking
you
at the
guys.
reviews. So it has 93
Game
on
of the year.
Metacritic, so 93 Metascore, and the user score is 5.7, which I can understand. I mean,
Karan
so
is it?
I think it's a good 5,
yeah, for six,
5.5 or something like
yeah,
that.
6 out of 10 game, sure. Karan, yo, and I mean, I wanted to talk about what
Okay.
Pritesh was saying, but most of it was just bullshit. He was like,
Yeah,
if Farhan wears an orange T-shirt,
I
I'll
can't.
gift a sub. Whenever Karthik,
I can't.
I want to experience
I don't
Farhan.
have that energy right now.
Farhan has an audio glitch. Okay, that's fine. Till the time, oh, this was really good by the way.
Yeah, that's fine.
Till the time
Understand.
Farhan's audio reaches, Alan will finish playing Last of Us Part 2. Oh God. Oh, Karan, you just missed it actually. We
That's
were just talking
okay.
about Last of Us Part 2, and I just went on this. I don't know. I talked for like 7, 8, 10 minutes straight.
I think I think it's good that Karan's here because we can move on to Battlefront. Because I
Oh, yep.
think like Battlefront was a game that is also like a part of our topic today.
Yep.
I have
It
no
So,
really,
idea about this
really
game.
suits the whole thing, whole
so
theme.
I I know the gist of it.
Okay, did you play Battlefront, Patrick?
No, I didn't play Battlefront 2. I played a little bit with Karan and Soham, I think. Just a little bit, but yeah, not enough to form an opinion.
One or two?
Did you quit that
2,
game?
2. I didn't quit that game. It just we didn't get time after that.
Hey, Karan,
Ah. Uh,
talk
is it
about
cool?
Destiny. Talk about
Oh
Destiny.
yeah,
Actually,
we'll talk
dude.
about Destiny as well. So and we have time.
Yeah,
We're like, it's only like been like 37 minutes, so we have a little bit of time. So the thing about
yeah, that's good.
Battlefront, like for people who don't know about Battlefront, what happened with Battlefront Part 2 was obviously it was made by EA, and what they did was like in the beginning. They just slapped so many microtransactions on the game, and everything was behind loot boxes, and everything was just random and just luck, and that's why people started hating it. And I think we should get Karan on or something at some point to talk about Battlefront Part 2. But that is the gist of it. That is just me as an onlooker, as an
Mm.
observer who wasn't involved in it at all. That's just what I got. Like people were really mad at it because of because of the microtransactions. They hated that they slapped so many things on it and
Pay to
trying
win.
to earn money. Hmm?
Pay to win, yeah.
Was it pay to win?
Yeah.
Karan
Oh,
says pay to win.
yeah. Yep. 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 Oh, wait. I can't see the chat. Oh, I can see the chat. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah,
Can we get Karan on right now?
yeah, actually we can. We can get Karan on. Karan, can you wait, let me invite Karan. Invitation.
It will mess up the cameras if he switches on videos.
No, not the. It's okay, not the video, just the audio.
Just join audio.
Heisenberg. I mean if Karan can, of course. Like,
Yeah, he said cool.
oh nice.
I
Okay.
won't cool.
Okay, I sent
Wait,
you the invite on
which one
Discord.
is?
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just like a
Oh wait,
little bit.
it messed up Karthik's camera.
That's fine.
That
Hi guys. That's okay. So Karan, what do you think about Battlefront 2? What happened with
Why
Battlefront
can
2?
can I hear my own voice?
Yeah, I
Wait,
can.
wait, wait. Let me figure this out. Am I supposed to watch the Discord stream or the? Let me figure
No,
this out.
just
Am I
no,
just
just
supposed to
talk
just
to
watch
us,
talk
the
to
dude.
us on
Discord
Discord.
stream or
Tell us.
Just
That's
talk
fine.
to us,
The stream is all
please,
set up.
please.
This is like some news channel, dude.
Yep. Hello, hello, Karan sir, sir. What do you think? What do you think about Battlefront 2, sir, sir?
Dude, Battlefront 2, what happened with that is they tried to basically implement a gambling mechanism in a game, right? And hiding it behind like loot boxes and or the glorified Star Wars theme and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So the problem with that was, for example, if you wanted to play a hero like a Luke Skywalker or Darth Vader in your game, you have to first unlock him with some in-game credits, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
The issue with that was there were people who played the pre-release,
Mm-hmm.
the the early access people, right?
Yep.
And they calculated the amount of time it would take to unlock a hero.
Mm-hmm.
So it turned out that you need to play 40 hours just to unlock Darth Vader or just to unlock Luke Skywalker. Like on
Okay.
an average, they made a very good amount of calculation, and you can see that on Reddit.
Mm-hmm.
But so imagine the normal narrative game could be anywhere from 7 hours to 30 hours, right? Not more than that.
Mm-hmm.
And you're asking me to play 40 hours of this multiplayer game over and over again just to unlock one hero, and there are like at least 20 heroes in the game, or
Okay.
15 to 20 heroes. Like
Damn.
now, imagine this amount of time that I need to invest just to unlock one hero. So it was clearly, and of course, if you would pay for the in-game credits
Mm-hmm.
and just keep on buying loot boxes, there's a good chance. Again, now you can't even literally buy the hero with money. You have to pay for the
Oh.
credits. You have to be very lucky with
That's
it
right.
and expect a hero to be unlocked from the loot box.
Oh
So
wait, you
the,
can't buy the hero directly. You
no,
have to
no,
buy a loot
Fuck.
you have to
box.
buy loot
Oh,
boxes.
Oh no. Yeah, that was a
Yeah,
shitty move from EA. Like that is why EA is one of the
yeah.
most
That's
hated
right.
developers right now.
this
Uh,
was the peak of their stupidity in
yeah.
short.
And
And the
mhm.
backlash was so bad that they had to revert a lot of things. They basically had a lot of back and forth. Oh, so on the side note, even countries like Belgium and another European country had put
Ban
uh,
on loot boxes.
legal case against them for
Oh.
gambling,
Wow.
like because underage people cannot gamble, right?
Hmm.
Forget about the countries that have gambling as illegal. So that's a whole different story.
Damn. And
But hmm,
so
So
and
which game is this? Like Battlefield? Sorry, Battlefront 1 or 2?
two.
two. One was amazing.
So then did they ever improve it? Because I remember Karan saying that
Yes.
now the game is really good. You should try it out.
So what happened is the backlash was so bad that they had to basically. So I'll tell you what the loot boxes at the time of release affected your gameplay. Okay, if
Hmm.
you get loot box, forget about unlocking a hero. Okay, I get a loot box every day
Yep.
and I unlock something, and if I'm lucky, I'll get a legendary weapon or upgrade or something, right? Then
Hmm.
that instantly improves my game because I have uh, better weapon than the rest of the people, right? So it was not right. You're not updating your. You can of course
Mm.
upgrade your weapon with skills, but you can also update it via loot boxes, which is purely luck. So
Hmm.
it is very unfair in the very foundation of it. So what
IGN
happened
gave
with,
it 8.8.
sorry,
IGN gave that game 8.8.
yeah, I'll tell you why. Because later on they basically removed all the gameplay upgrade elements from loot boxes and made it only cosmetic. Now all the loot boxes are purely cosmetic. You cannot upgrade
Oh,
weapons
interesting.
or anything
And
gameplay
and
regarding.
how is the game?
I'm coming to that actually. So then the
Okay.
problem is, what about the content that I've already gotten from the loot boxes before the game was
Before
the implementation was
Yep.
made? So they had to make a compromise. I think even Rocket League did that, if you remember.
Hmm.
They changed their crates into blueprints or something for Rocket League. Similar
Oh
thing
yeah.
happened here.
Yep. Yep.
They change it to in-game credits, so you
Hmm.
can then buy the upgrades on the weapon that you want rather than what they give you.
Okay, I think
So
I
had
think that
they,
that's a good way of handling it.
yeah, but I don't know exactly how fair it was because they
Hmm.
could have given in any arbitrary value to any arbitrary item,
Oh,
right?
Oh,
okay, yep. So it wasn't actually explicitly said that this is your gun, this is how much you should get, or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like this, they
You
they
just
didn't
had to
balance
rely
it.
on
Yep.
them.
okay.
I'm not sure if they did it fairly or not,
That
but
sucks.
honestly, given their track record, I don't have to believe it also.
So,
So
hmm,
yeah, but after that, the game improved a lot. They did a lot of bug fixes. They still have bugs, but they are not game breaking now.
hmm,
But the game is fun
Okay.
as of now. After the hype died and the backlash happened, and they made the improvements and stuff.
Interesting. So current, like, in terms of
Hmm.
that, I mean, I can see on Metacritic that the Metascore is 68 and the user score is 1.5.
0.7,
Oh,
1.5.
Yeah.
of course, because
Wow.
that is what even I would have given it when the game was released.
Hmm. And that's the thing, right? Like, you only get one chance for your first
Yeah.
impression. I mean, so many games are suffering from that. Destiny 1 suffer from that. Destiny 2 is suffering from that. I mean, Destiny 2 is
Oh,
still
Are we
suffering
ready?
because of
Destiny
Yeah,
Destiny
2.
Are
1.
which
we
game is
ready?
not
Let's
suffering from
talk
this?
about Destiny 2.
Oh yeah,
It's fun.
let's
So
talk about that first.
so what happened with
Oh
Destiny
Okay,
my
2?
okay.
god.
So Karthik, being Karthik, said, I have heard a lot of good
Wi-
things about
wi-
this game.
Yeah.
Oh, this game is very interesting. Wait, wait, I'll be Karthik. Like this is the catchphrases of Karthik. Oh, this game seems
Yes, yes.
interesting. Oh, I've heard some very good things about this game. And he'll say some other crap, okay, like about reviews and oh yeah, like my colleagues also they said that this one Destiny has a really nice story. It's a really nice game. But
Really.
Karthik won't
Like,
believe his friends, like who have played the game, like who are there playing the game, testing it
It's
out.
it's
Wait,
not
wait, wait.
one
never,
friend,
bro.
Wait,
okay?
wait, wait, wait,
Never.
wait, wait. Wait,
I don't know.
I never said that Destiny 2 is really good, guys. You're wrong. So I was actually listening to you because I didn't play Destiny as much. I was actually listening to you for Destiny 2.
But did you like it?
I mean,
Did you like it
I didn't play it much.
when
I
you
played
played it?
like a little bit with one of my friends.
Which
Karthik,
game have you
Karthik.
played much, dude? Like for every game you just say the same thing.
Names,
Yeah,
names.
actually,
Dude,
No,
I
no,
do
wait,
play.
wait,
I
wait.
at least let
Wait,
me say, let's see.
wait, wait,
So I remember when
wait.
I played it.
So you judge Virtua Fighter based on a tutorial,
Yeah.
but you judge Destiny. Wait, what? Karthik?
No, no. What are
Oh
you?
my god,
What were you saying?
dude, I'm gonna go mad. Okay, so you're telling me that okay, so Virtua Fighter you just based on the tutorial, you're like, okay, I'm done with this game. And Destiny you recommended to us, like you're just like, it's a good game. I heard it's a good game.
Yeah, I heard.
Based on what?
Based on like the people that play, like I see so many, like a lot of my Steam friends have played it for like thousands of hours. So I thought, yeah, because of the raids and stuff, like they say that this co-op part is really good, and playing with doing these hard raids with friends is like very satisfying. That's what I heard.
Okay,
Now let me tell you my experience with Destiny 2. What happened was I was
Okay.
playing with Serena, a friend of mine, and we played for a bit with Destiny, and what the problem that we had was we got into the game and we had no fucking clue what to do. We had no fucking clue where to get
Okay.
where to go or
red
what to
flag
do.
number one.
Yeah, red flag number one. That's it, and that's why we stopped playing it. I mean, but I still heard that it is good if you just give it a little bit of time. But that's the thing, right? Like, who has the time to do that? That's why I wanted to try it again
Mhm.
with you guys. Like, actually get into it. Like, actually, and I knew that if we wanted to get into it, we would have to do a lot of research, like where to go, what to do, etc. So,
I'm
what was your
playing a game
experience?
of
Why do you
following
have
a
to do
coach.
research for a video game, man? You're supposed to
That's
jump
the
in and
thing.
Exactly.
just
That's
play
the
the
thing.
damn
But
game.
there is some appeal to it. And plus, the main thing is it's free. That is why it's so easy to convince people. I mean, I can't convince you guys to go out and get Outriders, which is
It's
like,
not completely free.
Oh,
Yeah, dude, it's not completely
It's
free. Like there
sort
were a
of
lot of
free.
missions where we had to purchase some part
but
of the game
okay,
in
wait,
order.
wait. Actually, what Karthik is referring to is a different part of the game. When he said that raiding is good, it is about the PvP material.
no, PvE.
Hmm.
Raid is
I
PvE.
know raid is PvE. Are you sure?
Yeah,
I think
raids are PvE. So four of you or six of you go in a raid, and
four,
there are
four.
like these really hard bosses. No, there's a six-person raid as well, I think.
I think
Oh
Um,
wow.
we did we play a raid that day?
I
That day?
don't know
no raid.
Himanshu.
You
I
can't
did
play
that.
raid until you
Was it?
grind and get to that level. Raids are like really hard. They're like the end game part.
Wow. I can grind GTA from level 0 again.
Hmm.
Trust me.
So
But I
what
Yeah,
happened
should
with
that's
Destiny?
better
What
grind.
was
than
your
doing this.
experience with Destiny?
It's so it's not even about the raid or the missions. It's just about the very gameplay itself. The
Yeah.
character of my sorry, the ability of my character was to dash left, right, forward, and backward.
Prone,
That's it. Which
front
is the
flow.
basic mechanic in every game
Hmm.
for every character. Okay,
Dude, can I
that
just
was
kept on dying before every fight?
and that kept recharging. Matlab, I'm supposed to dash once and then wait for me to dash again after 10 seconds.
Dude,
What?
he didn't have double jump, bro.
I didn't even have double jump. I did have double jump, I couldn't
Well,
fly like you guys.
We could fly and just roll.
Oh God. Yeah, that would definitely be a, and that's the thing.
The,
The
the,
environment.
the
Okay.
dialogues were amazing, dude. You should have seen
Arey,
the
Yeah.
Himanshu, I can forgive everything. Okay. If you give me a good gameplay, and I can
Hmm.
forgive bad acting, I can forgive bad dialogues, but give me a good environment and a good gun.
Yep.
The environment
Yeah.
was
The
not
environment
there.
was bland. It was horrible.
Matlab, it was
but the game
literally
got better.
nothing.
I find it so that's the thing, like it is so different from what I know about Destiny 2. Like people say that Destiny 2's environments are one of the most beautiful environments on last gen. So I don't know, like what you must have gone to the first
Did we
world.
play a wrong game?
Yeah, that's what boggles me so much. Like
Actually,
I've heard the gunplay is good. I've heard the gameplay is really fun. I've heard like the going around the map is also fun. Like there's a lot of running, but there you get
there,
vehicles.
there is actually a thing that I noticed. Do you remember, Karthik? Like I texted you once and I asked you like what am I supposed to do on this level when I was playing Destiny?
Hmm. Destiny
Do you
1.
do you no Destiny 2? Like do you remember that time? So I
When
have
was?
played Destiny before, okay,
Hmm.
and I logged into the game. The mission that we played recently, it was completely different from what I played before,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah, yeah, yeah. Same, same.
when the mission I played before, actually it bugged out. I was supposed to clear out an area of enemies, and there was supposed to be a cutscene,
Hmm.
but it got bugged out and nothing else was happening, so I was stuck. And that is why I remember that whole scene. Like the whole gameplay was completely different, and the environment was completely different. But right now, like when the three of us logged into Destiny, the first mission was absolutely different from what I
Hmm.
experienced before,
So
and it's the same damn game. So
But was it just the first mission? We did, I think, two missions, right? Two levels, if I'm
no,
not
no.
wrong.
So you started Destiny for the first time, right?
No, me, no, no, no. I have played it with Karthik and Milan
yeah.
when it went free.
Hmm. Yeah, we
Farhan?
played a little bit before.
I played it before. I played it before, and I had the same experience as you. Like, it was completely different. I remember there was a bad guy who threw someone off somewhere.
I remember there was
There
a
was like
ship
this
that
big
we were
guy.
supposed to take
I don't
and
know if you guys
get
know.
off one planet, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I don't know
So it's
what
like
happened.
you have half of the time you have no idea like what the fuck is happening. If you're playing with friends, you have no clue what to
One
do,
day,
where to go because you're
did
not
they go
listening to the
like,
cutscene.
did they go like, okay, maybe they went like, our game is too good to give it for free, so they're just like, okay, we'll give like a shitty
The
version
bad
like
part.
for free, and then the
Yeah.
rest they're like, okay, you have to.
Yeah.
And then like
Maybe
so Cade,
because like our
Cade
experience is
so
so
Cade
bad.
in Destiny 2 is one of like so he's voiced by who's the Castle yeah, Farhan, you watched Castle, right? The show?
No,
No? Okay, so
no.
Nathan Fillion, I believe. So Nathan Fillion voices Cade, and he's one of the best, like, most liked characters. And then what happens is in one of the DLCs, he dies. Um, and I don't know if he's actually dead or not, like in the story, but in the DLC, like in the trailers and stuff, he dies, and then people started like getting into Destiny all over again, and then people were like, "Oh, this DLC is so good, and you should definitely buy this, and you should get this DLC," and it's like, and yeah, so that's the thing. Like, it really boggles me that you guys hated it so much. I mean, I definitely couldn't get into it either. Like, I didn't hate it. I liked the gunplay. I liked the environments. But maybe because I played it on the PC, it looked better.
Acha, acha, fine. Let's assume we were in a very one of the worst level that they ever made. Let's assume that. Okay.
Hmm.
But if you guys remember Farhan and Himanshu, we were killing this particular boss inside a closed area with the minions, his minions, right? And I'm not. It's like give me good enemies. They were basically blindly coming forward to us. No, uh, no sense of they didn't. It's like they did not have a brain. It was a hard coded program,
Yeah,
very much
yeah,
like that, and it kept
yeah.
moving to us. And when I shoot them, it's like I'm shooting water at them.
But as soon as
They
we enter that boss stage, we are like, just leave it. Let's just play some other game.
we
And
that
we
is exactly when we left the game and uninstalled it.
The shooting doesn't really feel like you're shooting. That's
Ah,
what he's
I
trying to
don't
say.
mind
Like
dying,
even when you're
but give me a
shooting.
good death.
field of view is also so small. It's like I'm playing like this.
How long did you guys play it
Yeah.
for?
Half
Uh,
1 hour,
Uh,
1 hour, easy.
more than
no, 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 no.
from 11:30
More
to
than
1,
3
I
hours, I
guess.
think.
Or
Was it 11?
So one and a
11
half
No,
to.
hours.
we
Yeah,
logged out
yeah,
a couple of
two and a
minutes
half.
late.
And that's why I believe that if
Yeah.
you don't like a game in like the first 1.5 to 2 hours, just leave it, man. Like there's so many games
hey,
out there.
you have to play for 1.5 or 2 hours, okay?
Yeah, but still, I mean, it is
On
still
You're
a
one to
one
talk.
game.
it is still a very short duration, I would say, like to judge a
This
game. But
this reminds me of another game,
Mhm.
Monster Hunter World.
Oh my god, yeah, here we go.
Monster Hunter World. Okay, I saw the reviews. This happened back in August last year, 2020.
Hmm.
I saw the reviews and I was like, this game seems interesting. I think I'll just go and get this game. So I got the game. I started the game, but I have a 500 GB PS4. I don't really have space for other games, so I
Yep.
just kept on deleting it and installing it again and again.
Hmm.
And I reached the point where I'm like, just chuck it, dude. Like I'll just play when I don't have internet or something like that. So then randomly, Karthik saw some reviews
Yeah, I
as
saw
always,
I saw some reviews. I mean, what?
and
How else am I going to convince anyone to get that game? I mean, and
and he was like, yeah. This
Uh,
game seems interesting. I've heard some very nice, good things about this game. Um, wait,
wait, who's
what is
talking?
playing right now?
Oh,
Uh,
I think it was my Google Chrome.
Oh, but
Sorry.
Yeah,
yeah.
so Karthik was like, hmm, I've heard some really nice, really good things about this game. This game is really interesting. The reviews are amazing. And then he convinced Pritesh. Pritesh, being this blind follow of Karthik, like, oh, Karthik, God, yeah, you said it. I'll just go and get that.
I mean, yeah, that's that. So,
he,
mhm.
That's
he bought
Pritish's
the game,
mistake. Come on.
and then he convinced Alan to get the game. And Alan got the game. And then I already had the game. So I was like, yeah, okay, cool, let's just try it out. So we tried the game. You know how difficult it is to just start one co-op mission. So we have to go to this safe area where we have to create a club, and then someone has to start a mission, and then he has to enlist other people in the mission. Then we
Oh
have to go
God.
towards that. It's like how in GTA you go
It
to
gets
an area
worse.
and then
Yeah.
you start a mission, right?
Yeah,
All of
yeah.
us have to go separately to that
Oh,
area, start a cutscene, come
Watch
back
the
to
cutscene.
the safe house. Yeah, watch the cutscene, come back to the safe house, then again, regroup and then go towards that same area again and then play the game.
Yep.
That's
okay,
how it
fine.
works out.
wow.
How was the gameplay? The very
The
basic
gameplay was fucking amazing. Not gonna lie. I mean, at
Dude,
least
the game,
my characters like,
Oh yeah, I remember seeing your stream, the jumping one. Yeah, I
yeah,
remember.
dude, amazing.
Yeah.
It was good. It
the
was
But
good.
I
gameplay
can.
is fun, but we have to like bash our head so much to just play that game together. I don't know, like it just got me out
And
of the whole
wasn't it
experience.
wasn't it one of your friends as well, Himanshu, who said that the game is really good? Like,
Uh, that was Alan's friend,
that was Alan's
Gianni.
The
friend.
game is good. I've seen a lot of reviews and I've seen Karthik's stream also. The gameplay looks amazing.
But that, I mean, I
Yeah, the game was
understand
good.
where, and the thing is, like, I am still willing to, go through that labor of love, I guess, to see what all the fuss is about. But that's the thing, right? And with Pritesh and Alan, like, they spent money. Like, Himanshu already bought it. It was free for me because I got it from the PS Plus collection. So there is no risk involved, and I don't mind, who cares, right? Like, it's free. I just have to
Yeah,
download it
who
and
cares
play it.
about others' money?
Yeah, but the problem
Hmm.
the problem with Pritesh and Alan were like, so Himanshu said, okay, I'm not playing this, and then Pritesh and Alan also gave up. They're like, okay, fuck this. So then, I mean, what am I supposed to do? Like, I
Dude,
am
I
still
didn't
willing to
really
play.
feel the point. I think I'll just play the game
No, no,
alone rather than play it with people and then
that's
waste each
fair.
other's
I mean,
time as
you
well.
didn't want to play it, and now they're not gonna play it either. So I don't think the blame is mine. Like,
Like I want to play the game.
I
Uh,
wanted all of
yeah.
us to play a really cool player like PvE game,
Co-op game.
co-op game,
Hmm.
yeah. But yeah, the
But the
search
topic
continues.
is, do reviews
I think
matter? The reviews
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
matter.
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
I
So
think
on that topic, I'll tell you the Metacritic score of Monster Hunter World. So the Meta score is 90 and the user score is 7.7. I thought, okay, cool. I mean, even the user score is good. The Meta score is good. This must be good. I mean, and it
That
is.
is a fair score in my opinion. The -3 is just for the label
Yeah.
that they make you
yeah,
go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just the kind of effort you have to go through. I definitely agree.
I,
It's
I,
very
I mean,
inaccessible.
other than that, everything was good. Yeah, so everything was fine, right?
If
But I
that was
think
the
that
case
was the
for
origin of
Destiny,
your
I would have
meta.
probably continued playing Destiny. If that was the case for
But
Destiny,
and
What was the
Prob-
case?
it was the opposite of Destiny. You know, it has three because
Yeah, the
the
gameplay
getting
was.
together is very easy. Playing
Huh.
the game is impossible.
Yeah,
and I've heard from reviews that the gunplay is I mean,
We
we've
know
all played
Karthik.
Halo, right? We've all played Halo,
No,
right?
Yeah, I played.
Oh, okay. But do you know the
I
so the
kind of played. Yeah.
so the gunplay is and the mechanics are very similar to Destiny. And I mean, the gunplay of Halo is supposed to be
Okay.
one of the best in the industry.
Okay, I have not played Halo since a very long time, but
Hmm.
what I remember, as soon as I played Destiny, I said that. Remember, I said that. Wait, these are the same guys who made Halo. This game
Hmm.
feels really weird.
I definitely
That
Yeah.
was
agree.
my first experience
Hmm.
because what I remember about Halo, that was way better than Destiny. Even the enemies, the whole environment, and like Bungie making Destiny and people giving it really good reviews. But then when you jump in with friends, I don't really think it's as good as Halo. So
Yeah. Oh yeah,
uh,
definitely not
I
even
don't
close
really
to
think
Halo.
that
That's
the
for sure.
gameplay is similar.
Okay, so Destiny 2, I'll tell you. Destiny 2 has 85 Metascore, and I mean
user score.
Okay.
it has
Wait, wait.
5 user score, 5.0.
Check Zombie Army. Check Zombie Army.
Oh yeah.
Oh, check Zombie. Zombie. I mean, do they have Virtua Fighter too? I want to know. I'm very curious.
Virtua Fighter 5 has 81.
Which is the one that we are playing?
Yeah, the Virtua Fighter 5.
Five,
It's
five.
it's a
I
shitty
don't
game.
even know the
It's a shitty game,
game.
but it's fun. It's fun.
Okay, so Zombie Army 4's Metacritic score is 72
Wait, wait,
and
wait.
user
What?
score is 6.3.
It should be more than six for sure, but
What?
it's
Yeah,
fair, I
but
think.
it's nice.
I couldn't hear.
Yeah.
My headphones got unplugged. Wait, what was that?
So, Zombie Army 4 Dead War on PlayStation 4, the Metascore is 72 and user score is 6.3.
I think that's fair, but the multiplayer is
That is fair.
it's way better
But
compared to Monster
Yeah.
Hunter, man.
I'll tell you why,
Monster Hunter
because you know,
multiplayer. I
Himanshu,
hate that shit.
the way we were playing, with all the stupid, I don't think we played that game that seriously. Also, Zombie Army. We did not play for playing it. We played because we wanted to play together, and
Yeah.
that is how it was much better for me. Like if you ask me to play with this game in randoms, I won't be able because I
Hmm.
don't like the game. I
Of
like
course.
the multiplayer.
So did
I
we
think after that game only the combo of me, Farhan, and Karan, trying out all these new games started.
Probably,
Hmm.
probably.
Yeah, yeah. I think it started there.
So where do we go from here? Are we gonna try
I,
a
I think
PvE game
like
anytime soon?
Wait. Let's just discuss what Karthik said about Zombie Army.
Zombie Army.
Hmm.
I mean,
Yes,
I
please.
didn't play it. I only went by
Karthik
the
didn't play the
reviews
game and he says, "What a shit game, bro." Farhan, do you remember what Karthik
because
said about
because I
Zombie
I
Army?
saw your stream.
Uh,
I saw your stream and the gameplay didn't feel good, to be
oh,
very
bro,
honest.
you have to play the game. Trust
Remember,
me.
And
we,
and
we
like
kept telling you, we were like, okay, Karthik, you have to play this game. And you were like,
dude, the problem is
no, dude,
the
I'm
problem
not.
with that
I'm
is
out.
I
I'm
wanted
out.
to
I'm
try
not
it out.
playing.
Yeah, I was out, but then I also wanted to try it out. But then that's the thing, right? Our timings don't match either.
I think Karthik takes free games for granted.
That's true. That is very true. I
Yeah,
I, I hate getting free
yeah,
games
yeah.
because that
You
devalues
hate
the
getting
game.
to. Wow, give me your
Hmm?
money.
Yeah, dude,
I think
legit.
we
If I were to buy a
Seriously, dude.
game, even though it's not a very good game, I mean, I hated every second of like after Joel died, I hated every second of Last of Us Part 2. I hated every
That's
second
the
of playing
entire
with
game,
Ellie,
basically.
but I still played through it because I paid for it. That I think that makes a difference. And so so coming back to the our main question, do reviews matter? I think they matter when you're trying to go and buy a game.
Yeah.
And if it's for free, then yeah, you should
But
definitely
if
give it
it's
a
free,
chance. If it's free, you should
yes.
definitely give it a chance.
Virtua Fighter. Virtua Fighter.
Yeah, okay. I said I'm like I don't know if you were there, but I said that okay, I'm gonna try it out with you guys.
I think if you have access to the game, you should try it out before reading the reviews. Just what you feel about the game. Like
Yeah,
if you have
that's a
the Game
good
Pass,
good thing to
if you
have.
have the Game Pass, just go and try the game, like how Karthik tries it out with
Hmm.
when he wants to play any game. And if
Yeah.
if a game is free, dude, just download and play the game, man. Like what's
But that's the thing, like,
The best thing that you can do is
Yeah.
like delete the game, and don't care about it after some time. If you enjoy
so
the game, cool, that works for you.
so if a game is free, the only thing you're investing now is your time. Okay, and that's why I feel like if you don't like the first 2 hours of the game, just don't play it. Move on to another game. Move on to another free game if you want to.
But you have to play for the first 2 hours to understand
Yeah,
that.
Battlefield 5, nah fam. Like I didn't
Note to
like the
self.
aesthetic.
Note to
Oh
self.
no, Battlefield is fine because I know Karthik's reaction on Battlefront as well. It is basically the
Mm.
same game, Battlefront and Battlefield, and he's not a fan of
Yeah.
kill die repeat cycle. He wants something like Siege, is what I think,
Yeah,
where you
thoda.
have
Dude,
to put in that
Siege,
effort. Arey,
Siege,
wait,
Siege did
Imanchu,
I,
please. I know you're getting excited, but
Oh
let me
God,
come.
by the way, it's been 1 hour, huh? So I don't know if you guys are busy or
Oh,
what you
is
want
it?
to do.
5 more minutes, 5 more minutes.
Okay, mom, 5 more minutes, please. Let me do this podcast, mom. Okay, yeah, you were saying, Karan?
So yeah, you're not fan of that particular cycle, and it's fair enough for me. I mean, if you tried the game and you saw that this is the multiplayer, basically how it goes in all the game modes, and don't like it, don't play. That was completely fine.
Hmm.
It's a different story what you did with Team Fortress, but I don't think we have time for
Yeah, the game loop, right? Yeah,
Agreed, agreed.
dude, we played Team Fortress for what, like 5 minutes, and then I was like, nah. But that's the thing. I mean, we
Really?
played Left 4 Dead 2, and I really liked the
Hmm.
game loop of Left 4 Dead 2. But then you guys didn't like, so it's fair
it.
enough, right?
It was only me, and we played good amount of levels. After that, I quit.
Okay, yeah,
We
fair.
played good amount of
The
levels.
thing
Fair
is,
enough. Fair enough.
what was I gonna say regarding Siege? I believe.
It's okay, defend yourself.
You were talking about Siege. No, I'm not defending myself, dude. If I don't like a game, I'm not gonna play it. I'm not defending my opinions. I'm not going to justify my
No,
decisions.
it's fine. It's fine. It's fine, Karthik. It's fine.
Yeah, I mean I will
We
I will
forgive
give
You
you.
can
Virtua
go ahead
Fighter
with
a
what you.
shot, but I mean we hardly play, dude. That's the thing. Like
Zombie Army? Okay, what is your opinion about Zombie Army?
I haven't played it, but yeah, according to the stream I watched, I didn't like it. So and plus, I couldn't
No,
even
no, do you
find.
want to try it or no? Like,
Nah,
that is the
Dude,
thing.
no, I'm not trying it.
Nah?
You guys are done with it, right? So I'm not trying it. I'm not trying it alone. That's for sure.
Oh, we didn't finish the game, so we can
mm,
get back to it actually.
Yeah, we
yeah,
can we can
yeah,
try it out, I
someday.
guess. But
No, like, do you want to try that game? Like, oh, okay,
no,
maybe.
I'm not intrigued by that game.
Okay, so only Virtua Fighter, I
Virtua Fighter,
guess.
I'm
Like,
intrigued by it, and Destiny 2, I am still intrigued by it because I have heard
Yeah, find
really
new
good
friends.
things.
Yeah, you can play. You can play. Yeah, you can play. That's fine. We
Karthik
won't.
likes to believe random
Please.
people on the internet more than his own friends who he
Yeah,
talks to every day, who he has a
No,
podcast
I
Oh,
mean
with.
I
yeah.
believe you guys.
it was a
It's a shit
podcast.
it's a shit game. I mean, yeah, fair enough, but I want to see why people think it's good.
Yeah, then I'm
Try
not
it
even
out.
joking.
Try
Download
it
the
out.
game, play or 2 missions, you'll understand why it is so
I
good.
mean,
Yeah,
I've played like
yeah.
2 3 missions and I didn't understand shit what was going on. But
Exactly. Even
still,
we did.
but isn't it?
Again, try it out again. Like now, I
I
think
think
it's
the
Oh,
problem is
different
that
because like what me and Himanshu played was different. And when I
Farhan is
played
in
the
a
first one,
different
I liked it,
timeline
and I
Yeah,
was
dude,
like, okay,
legit.
this
Like
is a
Farhan is like talking. His video is
in the
coming.
past.
Yeah, dude. He's like a true time traveler.
I'm a time traveler.
Yeah.
Okay,
Time travel. Karthik
when you
travels in
start
tram,
talking like
Farhan travels
five
in time.
seconds,
I think if I was a random guy on the internet, Karthik would believe me.
Yep.
एक काम कर, make
No,
an anonymous account
that's
and then
no. The
DM him.
thing is, if there was like at least 100 random guys who are saying it's a really good game, and like 3 of my friends who are saying that the game is really bad, I would want to see what causes the disparity in between these opinions. That's why I
So
want
it
to try.
only works one way when the reviews are good, but we say it's bad. It doesn't work the other way when the reviews are bad, but we say it's good.
Actually, that's a very good point.
That's true, actually. Like I follow reviews because the games that I do like have been reviewed well, so I can see
That's
like
the
that.
point. No,
And
okay,
that
that's
so
true.
the thing with I really love Angry Joe's reviews. Like if he
is good.
reviews a game
Hmm.
badly, I know I won't like that game because 99% of the time, whenever Angry Joe has reviewed a game badly, I did not like that game. And like this confirmed when I played Last of Us Part 2. Like he shat on the game. He literally shat on the game for 50 minutes, and I absolutely loved it. It was so cathartic.
Actually, I'll tell you my experience with Last of Us 2.
Hmm.
I'm glad that Karthik finished the game before me, and I owe it to him that he did it for me as well because I haven't completed the Last of Us Part 2. I just
Did
know
you
the
sell the
ending.
game?
Sorry,
Did you sell the game?
it's a digital copy. I can't sell it.
But he didn't buy it. His brother bought it.
Hey, no one asked you that.
Hey, hey,
So
hey. Why is this left out of the conversation? I mean, they're supposed to
the
feel bad about you, but they're actually not. There's no reason because your brother paid for it.
the point is
Mhm.
that I went with your review, my friend's review,
Yep.
over the critics' review.
Dude, see,
Getting it.
to be very honest, I would try out
Dude,
the games that you guys like if we
I
actually
think we should
played.
end the podcast over here. Just,
No, no,
this
but
is the
can
end of
can
the
we
Yeah,
talk
podcast.
about
yeah.
can we talk about the
Yeah,
time? Like,
I think
why
that's
doesn't
it.
Bye
Kevin
No,
guys.
we
See you tomorrow. See you next week.
fucking hell? Dude, you do realize that I can end the stream, right?
Yeah. Now it's just 4
Jesus,
HP, Karthik.
For HP.
you can, you
Hey,
can.
Actually,
P in
actually,
3 HP stands for Parik, okay?
but no, like, amazing. Actually, we can get Karan on, dude. Like, I really enjoyed this
Guys,
conversation with him.
if you do it on Sundays, I can definitely chip
Hmm.
in.
And I can. Oh
We,
my
we,
god, I'll
we
have to
are
do
doing
it
We
it
ran
on
again.
it now.
Sundays
4
now.
HP.
Dude, I'll have to make a grid again. Oh my god, on Streamlabs. I hate doing that.
I won't turn on
Can
camera.
we?
It's fine.
Hey, turn on camera now, bro, please.
No, Karan
You want to
can
see me
be
shirtless?
like a sidekick.
Ah,
Yeah, Karan
That
is
would be
like a
What?
good. No?
he's like a godly voice that is
So,
coming from somewhere in this
yeah,
stream.
dude,
yeah.
the last thing he said. Oh my god, I think I'll get a tattoo of that thing.
That
I
okay,
don't even remember it. It
so
was
in
just
the
nice.
end, which games do you guys say that are really good that I should try?
It, um,
That you should.
see,
Hmm.
I cannot guarantee Virtua Fighter. I think everyone cannot guarantee Virtua Fighter because it is fun only when we play it. I won't be playing it as a single player.
And also,
But the point is,
mhm.
I think
it's
we have
not
also
about
got better
good
at the
games.
game. So,
Oh, please. Uh,
Hmm? What just happened?
I'm,
Karan,
I'm sorry.
No,
What
The
did
point
Karan
is,
say?
oh,
it's
please.
not about the game. It's not about the games. It is about the multiplayer element of that game. If that is your jam. If it's a single player, then it's a different story.
And what if I'm a guy who doesn't like fighting games at all? Like, I'd rather just watch you all play it. That's it.
No, you don't want
you
to
can't do
just
that.
watch
You
watch
can't
a
do that
fighter.
also.
No, Himanshu, you have to do that. When you play with more than two players, you have to watch other two people
Have to
fight
watch,
while
yeah.
you stay in the lobby. It's a compulsion. Just try it. It's so we wanted to try it because the game is really bad and it is fun in that
Amazing.
manner.
We wanted to
Yeah,
try it because the
trust me.
game is really bad. Nice.
It is beyond the boundary of being bad. Like
Hmm.
Destiny is within the bad of that area that you don't
Hmm.
want to try.
Yep.
Wow.
It's so bad it's good. Like
Karan,
Exactly.
you're like a guru right now, dude.
It's a full circle.
It's like
Um,
the Indian
Karan,
TikTok scene, dude. It's so bad, but I
like,
enjoy watching it. It's like that.
uh
yeah,
wait, do you guys
I
enjoy
do.
watching TikTok? Indian TikTok?
I don't even have it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, I mean there's like emo boys. I like some of the
I
TikToks, dude. Like some of the TikToks have like such crazy stories.
Karthik,
Hmm.
That's
chill,
save
chill.
that for another podcast.
Yes, that's
okay.
TikTok podcast
Yes.
coming soon.
There it is.
I know, like, I'm gonna take. Okay, wait. I'll start now so that you guys can hear me 5 seconds later.
Thank you.
So, okay, so let's just end this by
Mhm.
saying, okay, let's just end the podcast here. But I just want to know one thing before we go.
Mhm.
Okay, name one game each, okay, that was reviewed like really well. Even the user ratings were really good, but you really did not like it, except Last of Us. Please do not talk about it.
Okay,
Except that.
that's gonna be hard. Let me think.
Metal Gear Solid Rising. No, Metal Gear Rising,
What did
not
you
Metal
not
Gear
You are
Solid.
saying review was good, but I did not like the game.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
that
yes.
would be. So it's gonna be. Don't shit on me, but it's Red Dead Redemption 2 for me because I know the game is really good, but it's not my kind of game. Second is Hideo Kojima. What was that game? Hideo Kojima, the walking simulator. That's standing.
That's
That's
not.
standing.
That's standing. It's a amazing game, but not
Like,
my jam. I'm not gonna play it.
yeah,
I
But
think Red Dead
Same.
is the hot take. That thing is agreeable. Like,
Yeah,
Red Dead is really good game, but the amount of effort that it is asking me to put in, it's not
dude,
what I'm
same.
gonna
I
do.
mean, I like Red Dead Redemption because it was all
agree with that.
compressed into a movie, and I watched
Yeah,
like a 7 8 hour movie. That's why I love that
I
game
know.
because I like the story.
Mm,
I hated the gameplay of it.
yep.
Karthik.
That's a
Okay.
hard question, man. Let me check.
That's Battlefield for you, Karthik. It's
But
a really good game,
Battlefield is
but
not
you
It's
don't.
a
reviewed well.
huge. It's a huge list. So
No.
out of the all of those, different games, he's picking out one.
Battlefield 5 is not exactly a well reviewed game. I mean, it's
Oh,
got
is it like
73
that?
and 2.4 user score. So
Oh, I
yeah.
didn't know. Oh, maybe.
Metal Gear Rising. What was the review?
I think same applies for Battlefront 1 for me because I bought the game when I bought the Ultimate Edition. I have all the DLCs. But if you talk about a player who does not have all the DLCs,
Hmm.
has just a base game, then it's a pretty shit game for them because then they have to spend more money on getting all the DLCs, and DLCs were really good. Let me tell you that.
Yep.
I must have played as much base game as much as DLC. Okay, so
Wow.
the review was bad because of again EA being EA.
Hmm.
The DLCs were so expensive. Uh, it was as good as buying another half the game. Okay, with Battlefront 1. So probably the review for that is bad because of the shady practices. But the game itself in its essence was amazing.
Uh,
I have more than 300, 400 hours into the game. So I know it.
अरे बोलने देना मुझे bro.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, no, I was just kidding,
Okay.
but I found a game that I didn't really enjoy.
Mm.
So it's Metal Gear Solid 5, The Phantom Pain. It got
How
93 on Metacritic as the Metascore, and it got 8.2 user
Playing that
score.
game right now.
And I've played through that game. I've completed the game. I didn't like that game. I didn't like that game at all. Like, first of all, I tried to understand the story, but Hideo Kojima being the bizarre story writer that he is, like I watched this a few videos on Metal Gear Solid's story and I didn't understand shit. I must have spent like what 30 40 minutes on what in
what
watching those reviews. Reviews
was
no.
there not to understand? There's Liquid Snake and Solid Snake.
Amazing.
Are these
Who
spoilers? I'm
names
playing that game right now.
people like that?
Oh, are you playing that game right now?
Yeah, dude.
No, no spoilers.
No
I'm
spoilers.
not
And
gonna give you
and
that.
dude, I mean
No, there's no spoilers.
even if he gave you
It's just
spoilers, you
what
wouldn't
happened between.
understand shit, to be honest.
So Karthik, you're saying you were in Phantom Pain after you played Phantom Pain.
Yes. See, this is why I want Karan on my
Man,
on our podcast, man. Like he can cringe
jokes
everyone
and
out.
all, man. Jokes and all. Cringe.
Only voice. Yeah.
I guess that's it, dude.
Oh man, but
I'm done
Oh,
seeing your
okay,
faces.
what's
for
your
me it was.
answer? Yeah,
Can I?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. For me it was Journey.
Journey.
Oh,
Oh, that's a good answer.
damn, that's a hot take, dude.
I did not
Yeah.
like it.
I got bored
Yeah,
playing that game.
because like visually the game is really good, but yeah, I was really bored. I was just like, oh man, please, please, just go ahead, finish. I'm done. Like I was just
Did
like,
you
ah,
meet
I
players
did
on
not
it?
like it. But yeah, the visually it was really good. What?
It was supposed to be a multiplayer game where you meet randomly random.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, like
Yeah,
before ending, again the same
I
question
did
but
not.
reverse, like vice versa. Which was the game that got bad reviews but you enjoyed
Karthik.
that game?
Why is this a thing, man?
Karthik has
Like,
a lot.
shit, I played so many games. It's so hard to pick.
We'll
Uh,
start with Farhan.
It was.
Wait, Farhan.
Wait, let me think. If you know something,
how
please
is
go
it?
ahead. Let me think.
No, wait, even I have to think. Actually, I think it's Devil May Cry, the new DMC. Not the new DMC, but the reboot DMC.
I played a bit of it. I liked it. Actually, I liked it because I did not play what like the original one, like the first
I
one,
played the original one as well, but
and
like the
then that's
gameplay, it
why I
was really
don't
fun, dude. It's
really.
a nice hack and slash game. I love that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, actually,
Hey,
I
wait,
just
I know
recently
which game.
finished Far Cry 5, and wait, let me just check how is it good?
Yeah, I
Okay,
guess.
it's 78%. That doesn't count, right? But still,
Yeah.
I mean, user score is 6.2. I like that game because I really enjoyed the game loop, and like it's like you do these random things. There's like a few random spawning events that you do, and then you add to the RP, and then you're supposed to go and defeat that region's leader once you have enough RP. So I like that loop, and the story was intriguing to me because it was a cult. I've always been intrigued by cults who do these weird things
Well,
all the time, and
okay.
the ending is also really cool. Like it's not an ending that you would expect, and they've set it up really well for New Dawn, but New Dawn got like didn't get as good reviews as Far Cry 5, so I haven't played that yet, but I still want to check it out. But yeah, Far Cry 5, people hate it because it's the same old Ubisoft formula, same thing. You just do the same thing over and over again until you finish the story. But yeah, I'm a fan of Far Cry series. Far Cry 3, 4, 5, I liked all of them.
Let's go Karan first.
Current
Oh,
somewhere.
I
Karan,
in the background. No, I don't have a game where the review was bad and I enjoyed the game. I don't think I have an answer for
even I'm kind of thinking.
So
Wow.
if you guys are having so much trouble thinking of a game
Mm,
that was
mm.
reviewed badly but you still enjoyed, so do you guys think maybe good reviews is equal to you
Wait,
liking the
wait, wait,
game?
wait.
No, not necessarily.
Maybe
Right.
reviews do
Not
matter
necessarily.
a lot. No, okay, I'm just trying to.
See, when it's free, we play a game and we enjoy it, right? That's what we are
Farhan
trying
and
to
his
say,
love for
right?
free games, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, dude, same thing happened with me and Control. I mean, I was intrigued by the story, but the gameplay didn't feel fun to me
Oh,
because
are you kidding me, bro?
yeah,
Control is the amazing gameplay. It is so
yeah,
good.
but
Dude, I
I
love
felt like the
control.
mission structure was too repetitive. Like it's like, oh,
I
you
don't care. I have
Repetitive.
telekinesis power. Okay, that is all I need in life.
Dude, you're in an office. Like, I mean, what do you expect? What do you expect to happen? Like, I mean, it
I
was
can
just,
play the
and
game
it was good.
100%.
I felt like they explored it really well, and that.
hmm
Oh, okay, okay.
What
No
about the
spoiler.
story?
I love the I love the story. I love such stories like where it's kind of dark and I mean you really have to
Story is
kind of
dark.
make sense out of it. That's why I like Phantom Pain as
Story is
well.
dark or the game is dark.
Oh,
Meet
you
the
liked
Janitor.
Phantom Pain?
Both.
Interesting. Oh my God, dude, it's like we are
Yeah,
already 1.5 hours.
that's
Fucking hell, dude. Last week we were thinking about what to speak, and then now we have a topic, and then we just going on and on and on. And then Karan's
And
here, and now we just want to talk for like 2 hours more. Oh God, this
of course.
podcast
like,
thing.
why do you have a limit in the first place?
Oh, that's just because I mean I have to. It's 9:45 and I still haven't had dinner. That's why.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Again,
For
time
good
zone
enough
problems.
reason for to shut down the
To end the
podcast. Amazing.
podcast, there are time zone problems. To play video games, there are time zone problems.
Yeah.
Mm.
Dude, actually
I
we
think
should play more, man. Like I really want to play with you guys, but you guys play in the night 11.
Wake up
It's
early.
okay. Bunch
Wow,
it's okay.
amazing. Wait, what did Himanshu say? Did Himanshu try something?
Crying, he's crying.
Oh, he's crying. Oh, he's trying
He's
and
sad
crying.
that he can't play with you.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fine, dude. I'll survive.
okay, let's
Oh,
end the
oh,
podcast.
okay.
But okay, Kevin bol raha. Oh my God.
Evan!
Oh no.
Kevin,
What? Evan!
See, if you
Kevin!
don't want me,
No, no,
if you
no.
don't
I
want
won't.
Kevin,
me, then I'll
Karan,
just
Oh,
Karan, please don't go. Karan.
no. If you didn't want my
oh,
opinion,
No,
why did you even
dude.
put me on the podcast?
Okay, Karan,
oh.
would you want to be on the next episode? It'll be
If
on a
it's on
Sunday.
Sunday, if it's on weekend, I'm in
It'll be on the
any time of
Sunday.
the day.
Would you
Would
want
you
to
okay.
be
wear a shirt
part of
and switch on your
3HP?
We can
camera?
be
We're
the
not changing
new voice.
anything, so we're not making it
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's
3HP.
fine. Cool.
We'll just say P is
PHP
equal
with
to
Karan.
Parik.
Yeah, three of you and
Just
3
P is
come on
Parik.
and off. Yeah.
3HKP. 3HKP.
Dude, we'll have to find something. Find someone with an H name as well. So then we'll
Himanshu.
have like 5 people and then 3HP. We won't have to change. So we have room for
4
adding
HP,
one more.
man. Just 4 HP.
No,
Sad 4
dude. I
HP.
mean, we'll have
Let's
to
add
change
Hitesh.
everything.
Hitesh.
Pritesh?
Why? No.
3HP and friends.
3HP.
I mean, so
That's good.
Karan can
That's
guest for a
that's a
while, I
good
guess.
idea. That's
Until if he becomes like a
Acha, acha.
permanent thing,
Oh,
then we can put it
a
4HP.
regular
is it like a probation period?
series regular. See, he's a
Yeah, it's probation.
wow.
Dude,
Like
his
Thank you.
dialogues
Thank you
and
for this
his
opportunity.
the way he just summarizes everything in one page, basically.
Perspective, yeah.
I think I need that.
That kind of talent
Mhm.
we can't
The
waste
way
it.
Farhan speaks without moving his mouth, and then he moves his mouth but doesn't speak anything.
Oh,
Oh,
dude, it's so good.
are we shitting on Farhan's internet? Are we internet shaming Farhan?
Yes.
I think we're not logging
It's
off for
okay.
some
It's
reason.
okay.
I think yeah, we should probably log off. Sorry guys. Okay, cool.
All right, boys.
I'm ending and
Bye.
see you all next week.
फरहान एकदम से लीव मत करना पहले स्ट्रीम एंड करने दो
Ah, dude, yeah, it's so rude. You just leave the. I want to talk to you after we end the stream.
Okay, okay,
Off the
okay.
stream. So
Okay,
find
Oh,
out,
after
I
hours.
didn't know
yeah,
that.
if you want to,
Okay, okay.
Am I
listen in on
invited?
our. अरे ये एक second रुकना
I
bro.
thought
If you want to listen in on our post show and pre-show, yeah, just subscribe to us. Give us that monies.
स्ट्रीम बंद किया क्या तू
नहीं. Alright, see you guys. See you next week.
Amazing.
Hi guys.